Welcome to On Campus Boston, a partnership between Cambridge Education Group and Wheelock College. Your future starts here. We have a beautiful campus here in the heart of Boston, and you're going to enjoy the facilities and activities that On Campus Boston is planning for you. As a student with our On Campus Boston program, you'll earn 1 full year academic credit, which will help ease your transition into Wheelock College or one of our other spoke campuses. At Wheelock College, we have a tight-knit community of individuals prepared to serve and support you. Everyone from your fellow student to the president of the college are prepared to make your experience as enjoyable and comfortable as possible.
Much of our work over the last several years has really focused on Wheelock being out in the world and also the world in Wheelock. A great international city like Boston is a place where it's not so large where you get lost, but it's a unique place for you to really truly grow, experience the United States and America, to really understand Wheelock and how it works in the community and how you can take what you learn and put it into practice.
And put your passion into practice. At Wheelock College, our mission is to improve the lives of children and families here and globally, and you will have that opportunity to put your passion into practice.
Through partnerships with other colleges and universities, you'll have access to the best libraries in Boston. During your time with On Campus Boston, you'll be living with American students in one of Wheelock's comfortable residence halls, where you'll be fully immersed in American college culture. Here we are now in the Student Center. This is the hub of student life. It's one of the many places where you'll get a chance to engage with your peers and take advantage of all that On Campus Boston has to offer. Thanks for checking out our program. We look forward to meeting you in person, and we hope that you choose On Campus Boston as your pathway to a successful future.